coming up to the boat bank, about to put the boat away. And this is quite honestly, I think, the heaviest I've ever seen it rain in my entire life. I'm absolutely, even with this wet weather gear on, I'm drenched through, as you can see. And it's lightning and stuff still, mental. Absolutely chucking it down. I've still got to walk back to my car in a minute. But I'll be home soon, so it would nice to cut the coat out, wouldn't it? It would be lovely, wouldn't it? Right, let's put the boat away. Steer it over here. Whoa, lightning. Fuck it, my camera's getting wet, so I don't care. Whoa, more lightning. Probably can't see much. A lot of rainwater doing run off on the river already. Right, I can't do this one, Andy. See you later.